So slide with me to Miami Zoo. Now this is good for the kids and family. Yes, this is a crocodile. And you can swim with the crocs. Well, not literally. I'm in a glass case. But this was definitely an experience. I get to see tigers. And I was today's years old when I found out that this is the biggest pigeon in the fucking world. Crazy shit. And they do have different species of animals. Here are some swamp puppies. They do have a few swamp puppies. Does anybody remember that movie Dunstan Checks In? Yeah, this chimp looks like him. Or orangutan, I think. They have 400 species of birds here. And before I forget, moms, dads, and adults, we're safe. Ellie's got us. So this is a pretty big zoo. So if you think about walking, don't. Think again. But they do rent carts, little scooters in the shapes of animals. So that works. Get to Miami Zoo right now.